Hi, Gunnars from Physical Addons here, and today I'm going to show you how to create realistic stars with our physical Starlight and Atmosphere add-on. So, in Blender, once you have installed our add-on, press N, go to Atmosphere and add an atmosphere. Then rotate the sun object so it's nighttime. But now you might ask, where are the stars? Well, at the moment we are exposed to a daytime scene and we need to change that. So increase the exposure to reveal the stars above. Now we can go to the Stars tab in the add-ons properties and tweak these sliders to achieve our desired look. Radiance intensity changes the intensity, radiance gamma. You can think of this setting as the hardness of the stars. Stars amount changes the amount, scale changes the scale. Well, you get the idea. Okay, but maybe you want to add a galaxy of some sorts, or maybe even our Milky Way. Easy, go to this link right here, I will leave it in the description below, and there you will find an image taken by NASA of our Milky Way. Download the file size that you would like to work with, then in Blender, click Texture, import your texture, and play around with the gamma and intensity to get precisely what your scene needs.